Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HeyGen for AI avatar video generation, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with HeyGen for AI avatar video generation, begin by navigating to the HeyGen website. Look for the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click the button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again. Once you have filled in all necessary information, click on the Create Account or Register button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from HeyGen. Open the email and look for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. After verifying your email, return to the HeyGen website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Explore the features available for AI avatar video generation. You may want to set up your profile by adding necessary details. Look for options to customize your avatar based on your preferences. Once settings are adjusted, you can start creating your avatar videos. Access the video generation tools to begin your project. Follow prompts to input text or choose templates for your video. Preview your video before finalizing it. When satisfied, save and download your completed avatar video. You are now ready to use HeyGen for your AI avatar video generation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.